Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to upload CAD floor plan images. Let's try it together. Enter the workspace. Click on the new project in the upper right corner. Click to upload floor plan. Select the required drawings to upload. You can import images in PNG, JPG, PDF, WEBP format. Method 1. Auto-generate. After uploading the floor plan image, auto-generate floor plan will be checked by default. It is recommended to use recognition and auto-generation for efficiency. Use the scale length to set the base map and generate the scale of the floor plan. When the image has no clear dimension information, enter the expected building area to complete the floor plan generation. When the scale setting is completed, click Import to generate the floor plan. Switch to 3D mode to check the effect. Method 2. Manual trace. Return to the Import Floor Plan page. Uncheck Auto-Generate Floor Plan. After setting Scale Ruler, click Import. You need to draw the floor plan manually based on the floor plan image as the base. Select tools such as walls, doors, and windows from the left toolbar to draw the floor plan. Switch to 3D mode to check the effect. That's all. Thanks for watching.